What's up, guys? It's been a while, but you know how it goes. We actually moved from Paris, so no more Tiny Paris kitchen content, unfortunately. But fortunately, we got a way bigger kitchen to work with. Yeah, you see that over there? It's crazy. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour, and it just feels good to be posting again and making some videos for you guys. And also, let me know what kind other videos you would like. Would you like to see more about our home and how we curate it, and how my wife comes up with a lot of the ideas she comes up with when it comes to decorating our house? Um, yeah, but thank you for tuning in, and let's get to this video. So I guess before giving you a tour of the kitchen, I thought it would be a good idea to record myself pouring a glass of cranberry juice and drinking it for you guys. And it looks good. I don't know what I was thinking. Let's get into the good stuff. We have the washer dryer combo along with the upgraded fridge. The freezer on the bottom was like the size of our fridge in the Tiny Paris kitchen. It's crazy. And of course, amazing artwork brought to you by Zen. I wish our fridge was way bigger so we can put more pieces on there. And finally have a window in the kitchen. I cannot stress to you how important it is to get a kitchen with a window. I love the space and the natural light. We got a lot of counter space now, the gas stove, and this cool little contraption that Jenna bought the other week. It like holds your iPad and charges it at the same time. It's pretty cool. And of course the knife station, and I can't wait to go to Japan in October and grab some more. And this is the nicest thing I've ever had in my life. I love it. I'm like at a loss of words for how cool this kitchen is. The cabinet with the dish set. These are actually Japanese as well, and Jenna picked these out, and I'm obsessed. And we're going in October, like I said, and I'm so hyped to just like buy a bunch of it. I don't even know if I should pack some bubble wrap or something, because I feel like we're gonna buy a lot of these. This is our newest addition, the bowls. And then I think the cups right here were the first things we got. But I'm low-key tired of talking about these dishes. They're beautiful, but come on, let's get on to like some new stuff. I think the next scene is now. Yep. Alright, cool. We got these. Oh my gosh. Back it up now. This is our cup section, like the regular cups, teacups, and this is another brand that Jenna found, and this is Zen's cup. We got this like a year ago when he was a little bit smaller, but he is outgrowing this cup. That gives us a reason to buy another one around this size, and the brand is called Native, and I'm a fan. I like the cups. They're handmade, and you can tell they're made with love, and you can like customize them. Pretty cool cups. I like how they feel. The gloss is nice. 10 out of 10. No complaints. We got these coconut cups. That's a story for another day of how we got those. Funny story though. And please excuse the sorry excuse of a matcha whisk. And then, of course, you gotta have some America dishware out here in France, and Pokemon Center Japan tea merch. I don't know. We're going to Japan in October, like I said, for the third and final time, but I'm super excited to buy more dishware and more plates and cups. And like I said, I don't even know how we're gonna travel with all this glass. This is our drink island, I guess you can call it that. We got the kettle, we got the coffee station, and I'm obsessed. Like, I love the window in the back, and just makes it feel open and homey, and I hope you like it. I'm excited to give you guys new content in the future, and please subscribe if you haven't. Catch you in the next one.